Hello, good morning students. Today this is module 5 of topic continuity. Let me discuss the remaining questions of exercise 5.1. Question number 17. Find the relationship between A and B so that the function f defined by fx equal to, the function is given fx equal to ax plus 1 if x less than or equal to 3 and bx plus 3 if x greater than 3. Is continuous at x equal to 3. fx is continuous at x equal to 3. Then we will have to find out a relationship between a and b. Okay, now see here. This function is continuous at x equal to 3. It means at x equal to 3, left hand limit, right hand limit and the value of function must be equal. So as f is continuous at x equal to 3, therefore limit x tends to 3 fx will be equal to limit x tends to 3 fx equal to f3. From here we will find out the left limit and right limit and we will put them equal, and then we will find out the relation between a and b. So find out limit x tends to 3 fx. This will become x less than 3, function is ax plus 1. So this will become limit x tends to 3 ax plus 1, or this will become limit x tends to 0 a 3 minus h plus 1, or this will become a 3 minus 0 plus 1, or 3a plus 1. This is 3a plus 1. Limit x tends to 3 fx is 3a plus 1. And now find out right limit of the function. See here, limit x tends to 3 fx will be equal to, as here x is greater than 3, the function will be bx plus 3. So this will become limit x tends to 3 bx plus 3, or this will become limit x tends to 0 b 3 plus x plus 3, or this will become 3b plus 3. Okay. Now see here, let this equation be one and this equation be 2. Now see here, from equation 1 and 2, limit x tends to 3 fx must be equal to limit x tends to 3 fx, and this will be equal to 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 3, or this will be equal to 3a minus 3b plus 1 minus 3 equal to 0, or this will be 3a minus 3b minus 2 equal to 0. This is the relation between a and b. Okay. This is the question 17. Now see question number 18. Question 18 is for what value of lambda is the function defined by fx equal to lambda x square minus 2x if x less than or equal to 0 and 4x plus 1 if x greater than 0. Continuous at x equal to 0. Question is that for what value of lambda the function is continuous at x equal to 0. We will find out the value of left limit and right limit and then we will see. So here limit x tends to 0 fx will be limit x tends to 0 for left limit x less than 0 function is lambda x square minus 2x and this will become 0 minus 0 0 and the right limit will be limit x tends to 0 fx greater than 0. Right limit means x greater than 0. 4x plus 1 and this will be equal to 4 into 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So from here what we observe that limit x tends to 0 fx not equal to limit x tends to 0 fx. It means at x equal to 0 left limit and right limit are not same and therefore we can say that for no value of lambda f is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay, so this was question number 18. Now see question number 19.